I'm attorney Ben Schwartz, and I'm going to answer a question from Shanice in Wilmington, Delaware. She wrote in, she said that her family was a victim of a crime in a car accident with a drunk driver. The drunk driver caused the accident and injured the family members. They're currently going to court for the criminal case, and they have applied for Victims' Compensation Fund, for restitution through the Delaware Victims' Compensation Fund. Does she need an attorney? The answer is absolutely you need an attorney. There are two things that happen after you're the victim of a crime. There's the criminal case against the bad guy, but there is also a civil case against the bad guy, and it's two completely separate cases. In the criminal case, the state is going to prosecute the criminal case against that bad guy. The state is going to bring him up on charges. The state prosecutor's office, the deputy attorney general that's assigned to the case, is going to take the guy to court and either offer him a plea or prosecute the case through trial in order to get a criminal conviction. The purpose of a criminal conviction is not necessarily to get you compensation for your injuries or for your bad experience. The point of that criminal conviction, for the most part, is to deter further crime, is to stop to stop others from doing the same criminal behavior, and it's also to punish the wrongdoer. But it's not to get you compensated. And so what you'll find is that if you're seeking compensation, although you may have made a claim through the Victims' Compensation Fund, you may have already filled out paperwork to get restitution from the criminal defendant through the criminal case, that's not the same thing as receiving compensation for your pain and suffering, for your medical bills, past and future medical bills. It's not the same as receiving compensation if the crime resulted in a wrongful death. These are things that need to go through a civil case or a civil claim. And in order to do that, you should contact a civil attorney, a personal injury attorney, or a wrongful death attorney to assist you, because what that civil attorney is going to do is try to put together a personal injury or a wrongful death lawsuit. That attorney, part of what they're going to do is try to find insurance coverages that would be available to pay compensation as part of your personal injury or wrongful death claim. And so there's really, I think the thing to know is if you or a friend or a family member have been a victim of a crime, there very well may be two things going on. The criminal case against the bad guy that's being prosecuted by the state, but there's also a civil case. And the time is ticking on that civil case. Every state in the United States has a statute of limitations that limits the amount of time for you to bring a claim or file a lawsuit. And so what you should do if you are interested in learning about your rights is you should contact an attorney in the state where the incident happened or where you live and get guidance from an attorney that does these things for a living. Thanks for asking the question. Hope that gives you the information you need to know to take more steps to protect your rights. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. If you have a question for me you would like answered in this video format, send me an email. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Thanks for watching.